Hi guys, welcome to my channel Techbusi. Today I'm going to show you the recent update rolled out by the Samsung for the Galaxy devices, that is particularly Galaxy S20 Plus. So they have recently rolled out the security patch February security patch 2021. So in that they have included the update also. The total size of this update is almost 1.3 GB. So we will see what are the updates included in that update. See, update your phone, what is new. So the size of this one is 1247.69 MB. So security patch level 1 February 2021. In that they have improved a lot more updates. So in that the first one is calendar. They have extracted the date and address from the event. The title recommended automatically. Receive notification from SmartThing devices. And the next, buds auto switching, reminder, share sheet, social platform, and photo editor. In photo editor they have introduced one of the beautiful and most useful uh, uh, option, that is object eraser feature has been added to the labs in the photo editor like this in the Apple software. So that is object remover. So the same feature is introduced by Samsung for their photo editor. So that is object eraser. Using object eraser allows you to erase an object which you want to in the photo. So these are the updates, and with the addition of this update, these include features and they have improved the security and performance of the device. So first, download the software. So click on the download. It will take some time to download the software. So maybe 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your uh, internet speed. It will take some time, so please wait until the download is completed. So once download is completed, we will start installing. So please wait. See, remaining 9 minutes, 8 minutes are there. So it will take some more time to download the complete update. See, almost complete, only 1.5 minutes is there. So let us wait. Just 10 seconds, almost completed. So depending upon the network speed, the download time may be increase or decrease. So now we'll almost completed. See in this video. So in this they have added a lot of features, camera features and calendar and display, reminder, social platform, photo editor, and the security patch. So now let us click on install now. Yeah, clicking the say Android system update. Please wait. Yeah, preparing Android system update. See, processing the update package. 35% is completed. So it will take few minutes to process the update package. Once the update package is over, the next install. So then our device will restart. So to install the update. So it will take some time, but don't get panic because the update is very large. It is 1.3 GB. So Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus powered by Knox. See, 13%, 20%, 25. So it will take a few minutes because it is a powerful octa-core processor. So that's why the installation process will also be quickly compared to other devices. So now 25% is completed. See, 58% is completed. So just few more seconds to complete the update. Once the update is completed, then the software will be optimized according to the update and apps available on the devices. 73% is completed, 74. See, 99% complete, 100% is completed. Now again the device will restart because during update, so my device will be multiple times restarted. So don't get panic, it's a normal process. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus secured by the Knox, powered by the Android. So in that Android 11 update and with a security update patch February 2021, and including the lot of improvements about the camera, calendar, notifications, social media platform, and finally the photo editor option, that is object eraser option is avoided in the photo editor. So later I will do a separate video about the object eraser included in the photo editor. So now these are the features they have included in this update. So just we are seeing the update process and the security patch and the download the update and how to update in the process. In a later video I will show you the update. So now the phone is updating. It is optimizing apps available on the device to the according to the update rolled by the Samsung. See, 32%, 32 apps are optimized. So it is getting optimized. So please wait few more minutes. See, 250 almost. It's getting very fastly optimizing apps because of this beautiful and powerful processor on the device. So it's almost gets completed 300 plus, completed 468. See, 458, 459, 460, 63, 64, 65, 66, and 67. Finally is completed 468 apps optimized. So 468 is completed. So again the mobile will restart, and now they are optimizing the storage available on the device according to this update. Once this completed, the device will get started. See, the device will get started. Yeah, see, the update process completed. Now the finishing system update. The finishing update process is completed. It's going to complete. So started. Bar is moving. Finishing system update. Yeah, see, the bar is moving. So once finishing update is completed, you will get a message that your system is updated to the latest update. You'll get a see, your phone has been updated. So click OK. That's your updating the phone is completed. So now go to the settings and about the phone and software update. Here you will see the One UI version 3.1. So previously One UI version 3 there, Android 11 based on the security patch January, but now Android 3.1, Android 11 and the security patch February 1. So this is the update they have rolled out by the Samsung. So like this I will provide the latest updates about the devices and software updates and tips and tricks and unboxing videos. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.